Good afternoon. My name is Jesse Chelf. I've been called upon to be the expert witness in the case review Fire Department number 22-1234. Incident address 1234 Main Street in the city of Hometown. Incident took place February 23rd, year 2016 at 1100 hours. I provided each of y'all a copy of the findings that I have. Turn as the expert witness reviewing the case, it is, in my opinion, to the courts of the city of Hometown that this incident findings and determinations is very possible. Below are the facts and the reasons to back my opinions from the findings in this case. If you'll be looking at the exterior photos marked 22-1234A small lowercase b, it can be seen that there is heavy smoke and fire damage to the exterior windows, Charlie side, south side. More on the top and to the left of the window near where the stove range is located inside that structure. Photo 22-1234, large a, lowercase a, shows light smoke damage from the open front door. Now, the open front door did face north, and on that day there was a 20-mile-per-hour wind out of the north. I'll go greater into detail about the wind and the effects it can play on the fire in a second. The homeowner reported that she was cooking bacon and was distracted when the phone rang. Now, a typical grease fire occurs when cooking oil becomes too hot. It will start to smoke, and then it'll ignite. Most vegetable oils when catch fire at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, while animal fats catch fire about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, it doesn't take long for them to reach these temperatures. The investigation reported a single 8-inch non-stick Teflon skillet with full thickness burn entirely through, approximately 2.5 inches by 1 inch on the bottom side. Now that's marked in photo 22-1234, capital A, clearly shown the burn through on the 8-inch skillet. Now, many industrial Teflon coatings can withstand temperatures as low as 250 degrees Fahrenheit without any loss of physical properties, and can operate continuously at temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Therefore, temperatures exceeding 500 degrees can cause the skillet to break down. Now, that's depending on the conditions of the skillet from use and care. That temperature can be much lower if it is not properly cared for. Now, back to the 20-mile-per-hour northern wind and the open door and the southern open windows. That can cause what's known as a flow path. The flow path is the route of air oxygen takes when it heads in to feed the fire, and the route that fire, smoke, or heat heads for to leave the building. That 20-mile-per-hour north wind will move through the open front door down the hall, adding oxygen and air, increasing the fire and heat. Now, depending on the temperatures of the bacon grease when Miss Williams first took the phone call, it could take a matter of seconds with the open door to start the stovetop fire. Add into the conditions of the skillet or deterioration, within minutes the grease could reach temperatures to cause burn through, and in turn causing the liquefied grease to leak onto the stovetop, spreading the fire and the flammable liquid as it ignites. This fire had potential to be much worse, and thank God the homeowner was able to contact 911, and the fact that the fire station was in such close proximity to the fire location. I would suggest for the Hometown Fire Marshal's office to ask and to use Miss Williams to spread the word to the community on how fast becoming preoccupied and not monitoring your cooking can become so dangerous. There's no such greater public educational speaker than a subject that has first-hand lived the experience and can share their story. Thank you.